White ash powder ball press is composed of three parts. One is the feeding part. The feeding part of the white ash powder ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. The screw feeding device is driven by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor and rotated by the belt wheel and worm reducer to force the pressed material into the main feed port. The second is the transmission part. The main transmission system of the white and grey powder ball press is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. The main engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. 3 is the forming part, mainly refers to the main machine part of the white ash powder ball press. The core part is the roll.